What's going on, guys? We're back doing it again. Another day. Got a different project. Actually, a funny story. I was I said the story the other day, and we were getting some things and walking out in the parking lot. It's actually really good. This guy, these Chevy guys, man, you gotta like them. I like them. I like them all, but they're new ones. The tailgate on them, you hit the button and it's got a little shock and it comes down nice and slow. Guy, you know, putting stuff in the back of my truck, and the guy stared at me, all in one fair swoop, one movement, was staring at me, pulls his tailgate handle, lets go, lets the thing come down nice and slow, just smiles and walks away. I thought, man, that's cool. I'll give it to you. That's a cool option. That's a cool thing, cool feature. That's what we're gonna do today. We got something. No more of this shit. No more of that. So, show you what we got. This shouldn't take long. Excuse the mess. It's a disaster like everything else you guys see. This right here. Got this from my Napa store. It's like everything else I get. There's a number. 819-3402. Should be a pretty easy little kit. It's a nice little shock. Comes down nice. We'll open it up. See what's in there. Let's see. Maybe. They're nice enough to give you a little slot in the back to open it from, but it doesn't work. So we have our shock. DZ tailgate assist shock. Hardware. Miscellaneous hardware. Sure, it's not miscellaneous, it's all got a purpose, but anyway, that's your hardware. Your in-stock instructions are in there. Looks like a protective film. Protective sticker we're going to put on somewhere so it doesn't screw the paint up. Okay, instructions look pretty sweet. Looks pretty good. We'll get you guys set up somewhere and we'll get started. And if there's anything else you guys want to see, and I do have one question. This truck has, now I don't remember what they're called, McAfee, something like that. And anyway, these traction bars, I'm probably gonna take them off soon, go to a different style, change it up a little bit. If you guys want a video on those, on how they work, taking them off, or just a simple review, seeing how they work, let me know. Let me know down below, and I'll make it happen when we take them off. Alright, I'll show you guys this while I get my first step. The nut insert. This can be shitty, but this actually looks like a pretty decent one. So what we're going to do, see there's a 10mm nut, and that's a 5mm Allen. Okay? What you're going to want to do is you hold the Allen stationary. Do not turn the Allen. You turn the nut. You tighten the nut. Tighten the 10mm nut. The important thing with this is to make sure, see that bolt's sticking out a little bit. Make sure you have enough thread. If you don't have enough thread, you pull the threads, it's done. Anyway, you put that in. That goes in that hole. It's gonna be hard to do with one hand, so I'm gonna put you guys down. Again, tap it in all the way. This is overkill. You just need an Allen wrench. I don't have a normal Allen wrench. I'm holding the Allen stationary. I'm tightening the nut. Okay. Now what that does is that flares that insert. I'm gonna go until it gets snug, until I'm happy with it. There's a lot to compress here, so could take a second. And don't over tighten this like I'm probably about to do, because you don't want to screw it up. You don't want to mess that insert up, because it's important. So we got it all in. We're going to back the nut off, use our Allen, back the Allen bolt out. Okay, our next step. Our next step is install our pivot. Okay, that pivot is going to go not there. What the? Small one. Okay, big one, little one, little one. That goes in your insert that you just put in. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna call that good. So that's in. Okay. We got that part in. What's next? Got our insert in, got our nut in. Now I want to take this out. Now mine, the quality truck it is, I don't have the retainer on there for the thing, so it just comes off. But leave the other one on. Otherwise you're gonna have all sorts of trouble. That is a Torx. So let me go grab that. T45 is what you're going to use to get that off. Pop that on our ratchet. Take that out of there. You know, it's a good thing too, because that was getting kind of shitty looking. We're going to replace that with a big one that I tried to stick down below for some reason. This is gonna hold your limiter and the top of your shock. They also give you a washer. And one thing I should have done below is they give you a little blue Loctite. I should have put some on that nut insert down below, but I did not. I might pull it back apart and do it. But we're gonna put a little bit on our top nut after we cut it open. Okay, let's try that again. Got it cut open. Put a little blue Loctite on your bolt. There it is. Put it in. Tighten that up real good. Put your strap back on. Strap just slide over it. Just like that. All good. Alright, next step. This is kind of an interesting one. I'm kind of tempted to see what you do if you leave it, but this, you guys will see when I take it off. See this little piece of sheet metal? They want that off of there. Probably make it go up and down a lot easier and work. Anyway, that's going to be our 45 again. Okay, got a little sheet metal washer on there we need to get off. Okay, let's see if we can't get this off of here. Try it. Got it. There we go. That little washer might come off easy for some people, might not. Take that off. That's it. Put this back. Okay, remember, tighten it up. Not too tight, don't break it. Don't leave it loose either. Now, cut that off. Okay, measure down the top of the cable 3.5 inches. And that's where they want this. This is the cable clamp. I probably should get a tape measure, but guessing that this is 2 inches, I'm gonna go down probably about here. Okay, that's on there. Just for fun. How'd I do? I went 4. 4 runners. Let's see what happens. 4 inches instead of 3.5. Now I think the only thing we're left to do, there's 2 things. There's 2 things left to do. First, we need to come over here, find a rag. Should be clean. Right here. Clean that up. Clean, just wipe it off. Wipe that off right there. Okay. This protective film they give you, just a little sticker. That's gonna go. It's gonna go right there. That's going to protect the paint from scratches. Okay. You can get as catty as you want with this. Getting those bubbles out. Turn it on nice and straight. And now the only thing left to do is take your shock. Nice little DZ shock. You want to snap the body end up here by your tail light. Okay. This rod end, holy smokes, extended. Don't worry, it's snug, it's tight, it's a good one. Snap that, oops, shit. Snap that right on there. Okay. That's on there. Clean my stuff up. Alright, now that I got my parts cleaned up, my tools cleaned up, close it up. Make sure it closes good. Okay. Yep, closes good. Fitment's good. Nothing too bad. So next time I'm at the store and the guy wants to make it look like he's better than anybody else, it's not gonna work. Yeah, it's not gonna work. This, I think I paid around 30 bucks for this. So, I mean, again, this is, might be playing with this the rest of the day, but for 30 bucks, you don't need to have a new truck for all the features. It works. So, thanks for sticking along, watching along. Hopefully this helps. If it didn't, let me know. If there's anything you want to see, let me know down below, and I will try to make that happen. But thanks again for watching. If you liked it, subscribe, hit the little like button, and have a good day.